new working codes in Bluelock Rivals. The Easter update will be coming soon, and we got the Easter KAISER. The Easter KAISER. Yo, the Easter KAISER is going to be insane. It's gonna be a world class for sure, because you can already tell that KAISER without the Easter event is already a world class unit. So now I'm gonna be telling you every single new working code for a lot of cash, okay? A lot of free cash, a lot of spins, so you can actually get a lot of free cash, as well as some lucky spins. Some lucky spins right here. You can get bunch of lucky spins straight ahead by actually completely watching the video. And we got a bunch of codes to redeem. So we have, why is the game lagging? Yo, no way it's lagging. Okay, let's go. So now I'm gonna be literally redeeming every single code in the new Bluelock update. But first, guys, if you want a extra slot, okay, if you want a extra slot, make sure to comment down below the following, okay? Make sure you comment down below Easter. Comment down below Easter if you want the extra slot. I know you need it because I need it as well. I want to spin some extra styles, but I didn't even reach level 10, so it's kind of pointless to get an extra slot from me right now if I didn't even reach level 10. So the first code, visits. We get the visits code, and to be exact, we get the B visits. 2 billion visits. 2 billion visits right here. 2 billion visits. Also, guys, if you like the new Discord logo, let me know in the comments down below, because it's kind of getting confusing, okay? Is this the new logo? Like, why is the new logo looking like this? Why is the new logo looking like this? Is this the new logo? Please change the logo, because it looks like Discord right now. So they're actually trying to trick me into clicking on Discord, but I'm clicking on Roblox. You know what I mean? It's a trick. It's an actual tricky man's. Okay, the next code is the monk. The monk exclamation point, to be exact, okay? The monk exclamation point. And we got the goat. The goat. 1.8 million exclamation point. Iga goat. Yoshi Wasabi is here. The best character of Bluelock, Yoshi Wasabi. Everybody knows him. And this is the Iga code. The next code is going to be EA. It's in the game. Easter code. This is a upcoming code. So you have to wait until the update drops. Up until that point, you cannot redeem this code. Sadly, but surely, like the video.